Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Kobo gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser. In the URL box that pops up at the top, type in kobo.com/redeem. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this redeem your gift card page. Go ahead and enter your PIN code that is available at the back of your gift card for Kobo. Once you enter the PIN code, click on the submit button beneath. You'll need to sign into your Kobo account by entering your email address followed by your password on the next page. Soon after you type in your credentials, click the sign in button and there you'll be able to redeem your gift card for kobo.com. Quick and easy. That is how it can be done. Simply follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorials like this. Again, thanks for watching.